Let's find out where do we find the Amazon rainforest. Amazon rainforest is a moist, broadleaf tropical rainforest in the Amazon that covers most of the Amazon basin of South America for almost 2,100,000 square meters are covered by the rainforest. This includes 9 nations: Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. The Amazon represents over half of the planet's remaining rainforest and comprises the largest and most biodiverse tract of tropical rainforests in the world, with 390 billion individual trees and 60,000 species. 1 in 10 known species in the world lives in the Amazon rainforest, with the largest living plants and animal species in the world, 10,000 plants and 2,000 birds and mammals, at least 40,000 plant species, 2,200 fishes, 1,294 birds, 427 mammals, 428 amphibians, and 378 reptiles. Deforestation. Conversion to the forested areas to non-forested areas for human settlement and development of the land. In 2018, about 17% of the Amazon rainforest was already destroyed. How? By drilling oils used for livestock, opening roads, slash and burn, and climate change. And now, Amazon rainforest is still suffering to the deforestation through massive destruction. The forests are burning for almost 2 weeks, more in active fire in forests. The fire raging speed up efforts to strip away the forest, and is vital in the fight against climate change, which affect human life and other forms in the planet Earth. The trees are our lungs, the river our circulation, the air our breath, and the earth our body. Save Amazon rainforest to save the earth. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos.